How to fix Instagram settings not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can also simply enable and then disable the airplane mode on your device in order to refresh your network connection, as Instagram needs a stable internet connection to load settings. Next fix is open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then simply update the app, as older versions of the app can cause loading errors. You can then go ahead and simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing temporary glitches and can prevent settings from loading. So, if your issue is not fixed yet, open Instagram and then make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option you see there, and then tap on log out again. Once logged out, you can then go ahead and log back in again, as this will refresh your account session and may fix the issue. And if your issue is not fixed yet, go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete. Once deleted, open App Store and restart and reinstall the Instagram application, as reinstalling removes corrupted app data. If your issue is not fixed yet, it simply could be Instagram's server status, as sometimes the problem is on Instagram's. So if the server are down, you will simply need to wait for the service to be restored. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram settings not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.